could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of...
Hey guys, welcome back to another hair review. Thanks to BeautyForeverHair for sponsoring this video. We have a headband and wig caps, and we have some ear tabs just in case you want to make it glueless. Now this is a wig. This is a pre-everything 13 by 4 lace wig, 20 inches, and it's like a cherry water wave wig, like a black cherry, which means there's hints of like dark purple, burgundy in the wig. This is how the lace is, 13 by 4, pre-everything, pre-plucked, pre-bleach, pre-cut, pre-everything, and the texture is amazing. I'll definitely show you guys the color in a better lighting so you guys can understand the color, but I absolutely love it because this color is going to represent once you're in light. Before we go, let's talk about the pre-everything because we have the drawstring on this wig as well. You guys already know how the drawstring works. Fit any head size. You pull, it's going to fit your head. When you're ready to loosen, you just pull it right back up. I absolutely love this. And also, we have the band, so you get a band with the wig. There's combs. Okay guys, we're back. We are gonna install this wig. I went ahead and I washed the wig because I wanted that juicy curl so it's more full. You guys see the color. I call this wig like a hidden color because it has the hints of purple and it looks so beautiful, as you guys can see, but at the same time it appears to be black. So once you go in the light, you'll see the true color, but it appears to be black. Now, you guys know this is a 13 by 4. It also has a drawstring. We are going to put this on. There's a little bit more needed just because I washed the wig. And I just recently discovered when I wash certain wigs, it just looks way better. So we're going to put this down and then I'm going to come back. You can use whatever you want to put down your wig, put down the lace rather. So any glue, spray, whatever you want, it's preference. So we're going to do that and then we're going to come back to style this. I'm definitely going to show you guys because it's all like this, a middle part and a side part. Okay? Now, look at the lace. The wig came pre-cut, pre-everything. I love this. I feel like I would wrap this as is, but we're definitely going to define the curls. But it's a 13 by 4 lace wig. I love to leave my wigs with the tabs on the side. It just lasts longer for me. I'm going to put some small curls there, but I'm going to show you guys how we create a middle part and a side part. So keep on watching. is dry, I'm going to show you guys how I fluff it out. But before I do that, we definitely have to do the most important part. Why this wig fits every head size, we are going to use the drawstring. And this is a drawstring around the back. It's loose right now, but to make it fit your head, all you got to do is pull it. And now it's snug. And then you pull the other piece on it and you tuck it under. Now everything is secure. The wig is not going nowhere. Okay? Now, let's talk about the fluffing of this. OMG. You see this curl? You see the color? We are going to go in with a side part just to see how it looks. But this is how fluffy the hair is. It's called the hidden wig. I like it. Okay? Now this is it. This is the middle part. Let's try a side part because this is versatile. As you guys can see, 13 by 4. And it is secure. It is perfect. You're not seeing the lace. Of course, everything is melted. But let's go. This is it. I absolutely love how versatile this wig is, and we are gonna leave it on the side part because it's just giving a different type of vibe. Okay, I absolutely love it. The part is real good. It's a 13 by 4. I told you guys already. So thank you to Beauty Forever once more for sponsoring this video. All the details will be linked in the description. I will definitely show you guys a vibe in the morning to see the color, but it's given like it's given that dark color, but then when you look at it, like I'm looking at it and I can see that it's dark, and then it's just like this hidden, you know, black cherry color. Absolutely love it. It is perfect for the holidays as well. So you guys make sure you check it out. The wig is snug on my head as well. I love the hairline. I didn't have to do much. Only added some makeup to tint the lace. That is it. We cut nothing. Everything is there showing. Absolutely love that. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. The details will be in the description. Make sure you check it out because there's a coupon code for you to save some money. All right. Thanks once more, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Bye.